back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I cook my goat head and goat tripe, as people that normally say, goat head and belly. So welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rushell, and if you're a long time viewer of mine and you have not yet subscribed, do consider subscribing to my channel. For my long time subscribers and viewers, thank you for being here, thank you for sticking around, thank you for watching my videos, liking, sharing, commenting. I appreciate it all. So I know that I've been a little MIA recently, but as I said before, I'm back now. So I'm going to show you how I cook this. So my goat tripe and goat head is already here, and I've washed it, went ahead and washed it with some white vinegar and water, and I will be currying this today, so you guys will see me doing this from scratch. All right. That cooked down a bit, guys, then I'll add my water. So I've added my water, and I'm going to go ahead now and cover the pressure cooker. Allow this to pressure for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then I'll show you guys the update. If it needs more time pressuring, you guys will see that. So I just took it off. This is the 20 minutes mark, and it's still a bit hard, so I'm going to cover the pressure cooker once again and let it cook for another probably 15 to 20 minutes, and then you guys will see the update as usual. So guys, just took the pressure cooker off the stove, and I am okay with the result. This was pressuring for about 20 minutes the first time, and about 20 minutes the second time, so about 40 minutes or probably 45 minutes, about there. The first time though, honestly, it wasn't really pressuring. Like, my pressure cooker, as I told you guys, is very sick. So pressure when you feel like. So yeah, so that's why this was pressuring so long, because normally this just needs to pressure for like 30-35 minutes or even less sometimes. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this back on the stove, add my seasoning to it, and allow it to get to gravy state, and then you guys will see the plating of this. So I just tasted a piece of the meat, and some parts are still a little bit hard, so I will just be adding my seasoning and some water. I'm going to be adding some Lasco broad bean to this. Guys, this is looking and smelling so good. Comment below and tell me if you've ever had curried goat head and tripe. I know that persons might drink it in manish water, but never add it curried before with beans. It's very nice. So guys, thank you for sticking around with me. This is the finished product. So I'm having this with some rice and peas, and as you already know, the goat head, goat tripe and bean curried. And for my vegetables, I have some cucumbers and some sliced tomatoes. So this is my meat right here. Guys, trust me, if you have never tried it, don't bash it. Alright, trust me, this nice bad. This is one of my favorite meal, and everybody must know already, I'm a curry lover. I love curry. So anything curried, that's me. So guys, thank you for sticking around. As I said before, please do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until then, lovies, walk good.